This video is how to show you how to create a vendor in Zoho Books. So when you've logged into Zoho Books, this will be the screen, the dashboard it goes to. So we need to navigate to the vendors module, which is found under purchases and vendors. From here, we need to create a new vendor. So we click at the top and we start filling in the details. So we can enter in a contact name. So let's enter in Steve Sampson. A company name, Steve Sampson. And in here, this is where Zoho will suggest what to be known as. And we can enter in their email, phone, mobile. Now, these details here are not customary apart from the VAT treatment. If you are a VAT registered business yourself, you need to make sure that you've selected where the customer is based, as that will determine how the VAT is calculated. You need to add additional details as well, like it could be a billing address here or a shipping address. When you've entered all that you need to, you hit save down the bottom. So your vendor has now been created, as you can take into this screen. It will also allow you to see a timeline and any customary settings that you've set up. If you'd like to see all your vendors, you can hit the X at the top and it will give you all your details here.